Hello everyone, this is Hachan back with another program of networks. The experiment name is Basic Router and Switch Configuration using CLI. So CLI is like in switch and router we have option called CLI command line. So we have some commands which we generally use. Enable, the switch gets enabled, and if it is disabled it gets disabled. And the show version, it shows the version of software and hardware. And show MAC address, it displays the current MAC at a following table. And we have show MAC address table and so on. So we can even set passwords. We can enable a secret password and etc. So now we have for router also same. So I'll just show you example, some small commands which we use. Yeah. So mm, so I already enabled it actually before. So for disable, I press DISABLE. So disable, it gets disabled, and we get arrow mark again. So I am using enable again. So we get slash. So to see the show version, may it to be enabled actually. Show version. Yeah. If the show version, it shows which uh, source we are using and the ROM of it, and we also get it's using this many bytes of flash and etc. and so on. We just enter. There are many model number, system serial number, configuration, and we plus show flash. So we get like what is flash and on date which is actually show, and I need to see the show MAC address also. So MAC address. See, actually we not any specify any MAC address, so it's showing null here. Like this, we have some more examples. And if we need to configure the switch, we can plus conf terminal. So it gets configured automatically. So if you want to see the host name, see, we can change the host name. So it was switch actually. I made it as host name is switch one. So host name changes switch one, and so on. We have many commands. Now, for now, I have showed you switch. For router commands, I have one more. This one, yeah. So in router, I took in CLI. So I enable it, and yeah. See, no shutdown is when you specify the path and all, and we need to close the function, we press no shutdown. And the clock rate is, I'll show you here in the diagram. Yeah, we have a clock symbol here. So when you are using this router and we have to configure this line, and we have clock symbol, so we use clock R and 64,000 is clock rate. So the clock rate sets a pulse for it, and we have many like no router RIP, so it disables RIP router, and etc. We have many commands. So one example I'll try to show you, show version. Yeah. So when I showed you show version, it's again showing you in the router what are the versions. As I showed you before, it was just a switch and this for the router. And we have more, yeah, more. So it's showing this many bytes of commands, bytes we use, and etc. So finally, the aim has been completed to perform some basics router and switch commands using CLI. Thank you for watching my video.